Why working out isn't enough for weight loss. Hi there! Are you struggling to lose weight despite working out regularly? Well, here's something you may not have considered: the importance of proper nutrition. Today we're going to show you many delicious weight loss meals that you can make in no time. Let's get started. Greek yogurt parfait, chicken stir fry, grilled shrimp skewers, caprese salad, baked salmon, baked oatmeal with blueberries and almonds, quinoa and black bean salad, tuna salad lettuce wraps, spinach and feta omelette, zucchini noodles with turkey meatballs and marinara sauce, green smoothie bowl. So, what can you do to ensure that you're fueling your body properly for weight loss? Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. Ready to take your weight loss journey to the next level? Check out our weight loss meal preps book, available in digital and paperback formats. With a 100% satisfaction guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Click the link below to purchase now and start seeing real results.